So this was the problem which was given as homework, right? So let us solve this first quickly and then we will go for the next question. Now here the first step for us is to take out the brackets. You are supposed to remove the brackets. So the first expression is 3 into x plus 5. Okay, so 3 into x is 3x. 3 into 5 is 3 5s are 15. And then minus 25 will remain as it is. And then let us go to the next expression. That is going to be 9 plus, again we have 2 into x minus 7. Okay, so 2 into x is 2x. 2 into minus 7 is 2 sevens are 14. Since it is minus 2 into minus 7, so minus 14. So this will be our first step. Now the next step is just the simplification. So I'll keep 3x as it is. Plus 15 minus 25 will give me how much? Yeah, x is equal to 5. See me the answer here. Plus 15 minus 25 will give me minus 10. Okay, so minus 10 is equal to, again here, 9 minus 14. How much do we get? Minus 5. So 2x minus 5. Next step, I can take 2x to one side, to the other side here. So 3x, I'm getting 2x now, minus 2x is equal to, if you take 10 to the other side, it will become 10 minus 5. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x. I can also write it as x. And then 10 minus 5 is nothing but 5. So this x is equal to 5 is the final answer. Everybody understood this? Many of them have got the answer. Very good. Please keep solving like this. Okay. Now let's quickly go to the next question. This also I gave as homework, right? So let us solve this. First again, we have to remove the brackets. So 2 into 7. 2 sevens are 14. 2 into x is plus 2x. Minus 10 will remain as it is equal to 16. And again, we have a bracket. So minus 2 into x minus 24. Sorry about that. So minus 2 into x will give us minus 2x. Okay. And then minus 2 into minus 24. Okay. Minus into minus is nothing but plus. So minus into minus is plus. 2 into 24 is 48. Okay. So that will be our step number 1. Then moving further for the next step, now we just have to simplify the whole problem. So 14 minus 10, okay, 14 minus 10 is plus 4. So 4 plus 2x is equal to 16 plus 48. 16 plus 48 is nothing but 64. Okay, so 64 minus 2x. Yes. Now what we can do is, we will take 4 to the other side and 2x to the one side. So 2x, let me just clean this part. 2x, and then I'm getting this 2x here, so minus will become plus. So 2x plus 2x is equal to 64. If I take 4 to the other side, minus 4. Okay, so 4x is equal to 64 minus 4 is 60. So x is equal to 60 divided by 4. So x is equal to 60 by 4 is nothing but 15. Everybody got exit, sorry, x is equal to 15. Good. Let's go to the next question. Looks big, but it's very interesting to solve. So wait, let me. Okay, so that is the question. We have a lot of brackets in this question. So we are supposed to remove the brackets first slowly, and then we will be able to solve the question. Okay, so that is how we solve such type of questions. Now, from where should we remove the bracket is the question. Should we start from this or should we start from the inner brackets? Okay, in such questions, always start from the inner brackets, whatever is given to us. If you see, the inner brackets are this, and after this you have flower brackets, and after that you have these box brackets. So first we will remove these brackets, and then flower brackets, and then lastly the box brackets. Okay, so that will be your problem. So let us try and solve this together, so it will be able to understand it better. Okay, so first let us remove the inside bracket, that is 2x minus 1. Okay, so first we will write rest of the things like that only. 2x plus 3, 5x minus 4, and then we have 8 minus. Now if you see here, this bracket does not have only minus, sorry, only any number, but it has a minus sign outside. Okay, so now if you are removing the bracket, you're supposed to multiply this minus sign. So minus into 2x will give you 8 minus 2x. I'm repeating this again. In this bracket, if you see here, after 8, instead of any number, there is just a minus. So minus is to be multiplied to the whole numbers, whatever is in the equation. Okay, so here minus into 2x is minus 2x, minus into minus 1, minus into minus is minus into minus is, who can say me? Minus into minus is plus. Very good. So plus 1. If you don't have any number, we can also take it as 1, right? So minus 1 into minus 1 is nothing but plus 1. Okay, so we have removed this bracket. Now we only have a flower bracket plus 6 and then the box bracket. Okay, so this is your LHS side. Now let us do the same thing for RHS. I hope you all know what is LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side. Yes, Padma Priya, I'll repeat it once again. Now, in the first step, what we are trying to do is, let me solve it once again. Yeah, these problems, please concentrate well and understand carefully. So first, what we are going to do is, we are going to remove these brackets in the LHS. LHS is this side, the first side. So we are going to start with 2x plus 3. We will write that as it is. Then box bracket 5x minus 4. This also we will write it as it is. Then we have a flower bracket. and then we have 8. Okay, and then we have 8. Now after 8 we have 8 minus 2x minus 1. This is the expression that we have. 8 we have already written. Now we have minus 2x minus into 2x minus 1. So since we have bracket, it means that is multiplication. Okay, if you have brackets, that is multiplication. So let us consider this as minus 1. Now let us multiply. Minus 1 into 2x will give me minus 2x. Okay, again minus into minus is plus. So minus 1 into minus 1 is nothing but plus 1. Okay, now after this, see the question. We have removed this bracket, so we will not put that bracket once again. We are going to go with the flower bracket, and then from the question, after that we have plus 6 and then the box bracket. Understood? So we're going to keep rest of the question like that only, except for this expression where we remove the bracket. Okay, now this was your left hand side of the equation. Now let us go to the right hand side of the equation. Right hand side of the equation is 3x minus x plus 5 minus 1 plus 25. Okay, this is the second expression which is given. Now in right hand side we will keep, see I don't have space here after equal to, so I'm writing it below. Okay, so 3x minus, I'll retain the flower bracket, x plus, okay, I will retain everything until here. Now I have 5 minus 1 and the sign outside is plus. Correct? So I can take it as plus 1. So plus 1, okay, sorry, 5x minus 1. Okay, 1 into 5x is nothing but plus 5x, and then plus 1 into minus 1 is nothing but plus into minus is minus. Okay, plus into minus is minus, so you will get minus 1. Sorry. Okay, minus 1. Close the flower bracket. Now after closing the flower bracket, what else is left out? Plus 25. Okay, so this is going to be our first step of simplifying the bracket. Any doubts in the first step? Everybody understood? Okay, now let us go to the step number 2. Okay, I'll just change the color in step number 2 so that you will be able to understand it easily for the different step. Okay, now we have removed these brackets, the normal brackets. Now what is the next bracket that is available? The next bracket that is available is flower brackets. Okay, the next bracket that is available is flower brackets. Let us remove those flower brackets also. Okay, so 2x plus 3 will remain. We have a box bracket. 5x minus 4 is there. Now, after minus 4, the bracket starts. That is 8 minus 2x plus 1. Yes? So, now let us multiply. Minus 4 into 8. 4 8s are 4 8s are 32. Since it is minus 4, it will become minus 32. Okay. Next, minus 4 into minus 2x. Minus 4 into minus 2x is minus into minus You're supposed to get actually plus, but what you can do is whichever is the highest number, that you can take. What happened? -8. From where did you get -8? Okay. So next is -4 into -2. We will take it as +8 only. Okay. +8. Next, -4 into +1. -4 into +1, -4. Now this bracket, this flower bracket is gone. So after that, what is remaining? +6 is remaining. See in the question, if you see in the first step, 4 into, that is the flower bracket, 8 minus 2x plus 1, again +6 you have, right? So now it is -4 and +6, I will write it as it is. And then we have the box bracket or the rectangular bracket. Few of them call it as rectangular bracket. Okay. Now is equal to, that was LHS. Now coming to RHS. Now here we have 3x. Then after 3x, we have minus and then there is an expression. So minus x plus 5x minus 1. Okay, so this is the expression that we have. So minus into x is minus x. Let us take this as -1. Okay, so -1 into x is minus x. Yes. Next, -1 into 5x. -1 into 5x. I can take it as -5x. Next, -1 into -1. -1 into -1 is +1. Very good. +1. Now, after all this, what else is remaining from the question? Which number is remaining from the question? +25. +25 is remaining. Okay. So any doubts until step 2? We will take it slow because such problems can be asked in the examination with the brackets. Okay. No doubts? Okay, good. Now let me add a page and we will continue step number 3. Now I'll go back to black color so that you can differentiate between the steps. Okay, so we have finished 2 steps. Now coming to the third step, you have 2x plus. Now after that, so we removed the normal brackets, we removed the flower brackets. Now after this, what is remaining? The box brackets or the rectangular brackets. Now if you see here, 2x plus 3, after that you have the box bracket, which means you're supposed to multiply 3 with whole of this variables that are available. Okay, so let us do that. Before that, for your easy understanding, I'll just write what is to be multiplied. So 3 into, you are supposed to multiply 5x minus 32 plus 8x minus 4 plus 6. Okay, since it is plus 3, it is easy for us to do. So 3 into 5x is plus 15x. 3 into minus 32. I can say it as minus 96. Good, minus 96. Then 3 into 8x. 8 threes are 24. It is plus. So plus 24x. Then 3 into minus 4. 3 fours are 12. So minus 12x. Sorry, do we have x? No, there is no x. Okay. Next, 3 into 6. 6 threes are 18 plus 18. Everybody understood the LHS part? Okay, now let's go to the RHS. Now in RHS, what was there? We will just write down as it is for now. So what was there? 3x minus x minus 5x plus 1 plus 25. Was this correct? 3x minus x minus 5x plus 1 plus 25. Okay, any doubts until here? Okay, so let's continue. Now, next step is all that you have to do is simplification. Now, let us add up or let us simplify all the x to one side and all the numbers to one side. Okay. Now, in LHS, okay, sorry. Now, in LHS, what is that? What all x do we have? We have 2x, we have plus 15x, and then we have plus 24x. So 5, 4, 9, 11, 41x. Oh, good. Ma'am, in the second. Where is it 8x? Which part are you saying, Aishwarya? Are you talking about this? Okay, 32. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, sorry about that. So here it is correct, no? Now it is 24. Yeah, it is correct now. Okay. So we have 41x. We have 41x. And what are the other numbers remaining? Minus 96, minus 12, plus 18. How much will you get? 90 plus 90 minus 90. Next is equal to. Now let us see on the right hand side. Now right hand side we have 3x minus x minus 5x. Okay. Minus x is nothing but minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 4. It's something like 3 minus 6x. So I can take it as 3x minus 3x. Yeah. Minus 3x. Then what are the numbers which are available? 1 plus 25 is 26. Now just take 3x to the other side. 41x. 3x is minus. So plus 3x. 26. 90 to the other side. Plus 90. 41 plus 3 is 44x is equal to 90 plus 26 is 116. 116. Next, x is equal to 116 divided by 44. Okay. Now here you can simplify this. Okay. How do you simplify? Let us see from 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 2 5s are 10, 16. 2 8s are 16. Okay. You get, yeah, x is equal to 16 by 44. Now we are just simplifying that. Okay, we are dividing numerator as well as denominator with 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 I get in the denominator, and 2 5s are 10, 1 is carried over. So 16, 2 8s are 16. Now again I can go with 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 carried over, 2 9s are 18. I can do this. So finally my x is equal, I'll write it here, x is equal to 29 by 11. See, I can leave it at 116 by 44. There is no problem with that. I can also simplify that and I can write the simplified format. Understood? Any doubts in this problem in any of the step? Please go through the problem thoroughly. I'll give you 1 minute. Go through the problem thoroughly. I want everybody to be clear with this problem. Done? Can we go for the next problem? Okay. One more problem. Okay, which is similar to the other one, that is brackets. Here also we have too many brackets to solve, but this problem is a smaller one. Okay, I'll give you a few problems for homework which is with brackets, so you will be able to practice them. I'll forward it in the group later. Okay, now let us start. Okay, so which is the first bracket we are supposed to solve? Should we start from the outer bracket or inner bracket? I want many answers. Good. So we are going to start from the inner brackets and then we'll go with the flower brackets and then we'll go with the box brackets or rectangular brackets. Clear? Fine. So let us start. So first 3x. Okay. The question is solve for x and then only you have the question given. Okay. So 3x minus box brackets will remain 3 plus flower brackets will also remain x minus, we are supposed to remove this bracket. So minus 3 plus x we have to remove. So minus 3 plus x means let us take this as minus 1. So minus 1 into 3 will give me, minus 1 into 3 will give me no x. Sahana, we are not multiplying x yet. Okay, it's just number. So it's going to be minus 3. Okay, next minus 1 into x. Minus 1 into x will give me minus x. Okay, minus x. And then after this, there is no inner bracket because we have solved it. So I only have a flower bracket and a box bracket and then is equal to 5 plus 2x. That will remain as it is. Next, this was step number 1. Now let me change the color for step number 2. Now for step number 2, we have to remove the flower brackets. Okay, so 3x minus 3 and then you have the flower bracket. So it has plus x minus 3 minus x. So which is nothing but I can take this as plus 1. So plus 1 into x is plus x. How many got the answer? Good. Good. X is equal to 5. The answer is correct. Okay. Now help me solve the problem. Plus 1 into x is plus x. Plus 1 into minus 3. Plus 1 into minus 3 is still minus 3. Plus 1 into minus x. Plus 1 into minus x is also minus x. Now after this, there is no flower bracket. We have removed it. So there is only box brackets or rectangular brackets. Then is equal to 5 plus 2x. Understood till here? Any doubts? Yes, correct. X is equal to 5. Good. Many of them are solved. There are few who will take a little time to solve. So we'll solve for everybody. Fine. Now again, going back to our black color for the next step. Now we will remove these rectangular brackets. So 3x, and then we have the rectangular brackets, that is nothing but minus 3 plus x minus 3 minus x. So I can assume this as minus 1 here. So minus 1 into 3 will give me minus 3. Then minus 1 into x is minus x, correct? Then minus 1 into minus 3. Minus into minus is plus, so plus 3. Then minus 1 into minus x. Minus into minus again plus, so plus x. Okay. So this bracket is also taken out, is equal to 5 plus 2x. Understood? So we have removed all the brackets. Now what is left is only simplification. Now for simplification, let us take all the x to one side. So 3x minus x plus x. How much do you get? You will get back, you will be left out with 3x again. Okay. 3x minus x is 2x. 2x plus 1x is 3x. So we come back to 3x form. And then regarding the numbers, we have minus 3 plus 3, which is nullified, right? So you have minus 3, you have plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 is nothing but 0. Correct? So what you can do is, you need not write anything. Just go for 5 plus 2x. Okay? And your next step will be taking 2x to the other side. So which is nothing but 3x minus 2x is equal to 5. 3x minus 2x is equal to 5. And your last step, 3x minus 2x is equal to x is equal to 5. So this is your final answer. Understood? Any doubts? Interesting? Very interesting to solve. Okay. Kavya MG has raised her hand. Can I know? Do you have any doubt, Kavya? Okay. So that was by mistake, is it? Fine. Good. Okay. Now let's go to the next type of problem. Okay. For this, I'll give you a few homework problems to solve. You can solve and get back to me regarding the answers. Fine. Now let us go to next type. Now we will have fractions. So we're going to have fractions to solve. Uh, there are few little methods here to solve. So we will see that methods as per the problem. Okay. So until now we have solved the single variable problems. We have not gone to double variable or two variables or two degree. Degree of equation is still at 1. So let us solve this question, a very simple and easy question. Now here, if you see, they have given us x plus 2 by 5 is equal to x minus 1 by 2. Now when we have such problems, very good Padmapriya, cross multiplication has to be done. So x plus 2 by 5 is equal to x minus 1 by 2. Spurti gave me the answer also. Very good, Spurti. Now, in such questions, what you're supposed to do is cross multiply, which means you're going to multiply 5 with for this expression and you're going to multiply 2 with this expression. Okay, so let us do that. I will give you stepwise answer here so that you don't get confused. Okay, by cross multiplication, x is equal to 3. Very good, very good. Yeah, final answer x is equal to 3. Correct, correct. Good. Very nice. No, very happy with that. Okay, now let us multiply. Now 2 I am supposed to multiply with x plus 2. And then 5 I will multiply with x minus 1. Now good, all of them are getting the answers. Now help me solve the problem. Okay, so 5 into x minus 1. Now let us multiply this. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into plus 2 is plus 4 is equal to, now here also let us multiply. 5 into x is 5x and then 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. And then next step is 2x. I'll take minus, oops, sorry. I'll take minus 5x to this side is equal to minus 5 minus 4. So here I get minus 3x is equal to minus 5